Assalamu alaikum and welcome to SSD. So in this video what I will do, let me run this simulation, then you will understand. So this is a virtual terminal which is showing me some voltage, so 1.85, and actually this is the voltage of this node. If I change the value of this resistor, you will see that the voltage has been changed, right? You see 1.41. now the voltage has been changed. If I again change this resistor's value, you'll see that the voltage is changed, but that is not the main thing. My question is, what is this data coming from? If you go to the Arduino IDE, you will see that here you have two serial print function. So what you have written inside this serial print function, that appears on the virtual terminal. Okay, that means this is the data from the serial monitor. Okay, so in this video, let's say you don't have any Arduino but you want to see the serial monitor data, so you can use this virtual terminal in Proteus. So in this video we will see how to use this virtual terminal. Okay, and we will see this thing from the beginning. So let me stop this simulation and erase all the thing because I will do from the beginning. Okay, so let's start. So first you have to press P of your keyboard, then write Uno, and here is mini Arduino Uno. Let me choose this Arduino Uno TEP. Okay, place it here. Oh, it's inverted, so press minus of your keyboard, then it will be rotated. Okay, now you need one resistor, one potentiometer, then you need a ground. So to get, you have to go terminals mode, then ground, and place one ground here. Place one ground here. Now let's assume that we have to supply voltage to this resistor, and in this video I will take this voltage from pin 10. Okay, so I will take this from pin 10 and then I will connect this here and make this circuit. Okay, so and I will find the voltage of this node. So take a wire here and connect it to the analog pin A0. Okay, and we have to power up this Arduino, and to do this we have to use a cell here, then one ground, and connect it to the BCC of the Arduino, and let this is 5 volt. Okay, now the circuit has been done. 10 or 10k, let's say it's 1k. Okay, now let's go to the Arduino IDE. So it's a very simple code. First you have to initiate the serial.begin. So please remember this number 9600. You will need this number. This is the baud rate, so you will need this number later, so remember this thing. Okay, then we have right here pin mode 10 is output and A0 is input. Simple, as we are supplying voltage from pin 10, so this is the output, and as we are taking the data to A0 terminal, so A0 is input, right? So simple, 10 is output and A0 is input. And then we have set digital write pin 10 high, that means the pin 10 will supply 5 volt, and we have read the data from A0, and A0 will give you the data from 0 to 1, 0 to 3, but no, you want the data from 0 to 5 volt. So to convert 0 to 123 to 0 to 5 volt, you have to do a simple calculation here, right? Okay, so now you have to upload this code in the Proteus file. So what you will do, first you have to go to file, then preferences, and you have to ensure that show verbose output during compile. So this is a click mark on the compile. There should be a click mark on the compile. Now press OK, and now if you verify this code, you will see a lot of locations here, but from here you have to find the hex file. So here is the hex file. You have to copy this location. So let me copy this location, go to Proteus, double click on the Arduino Uno, and inside program file you have to paste this thing. Okay, so our code is done. So let me run the simulation. Is there any error? No, there is no error. But where is the serial monitor? Where is the data? I mean, inside Arduino IDE I have write serial.print, something should be printed, but where is that? Yes, we have to use a virtual terminal here. So to do this we have to go to virtual instruments mode and then virtual terminal and place one virtual terminal here. Hey, where is virtual terminal? Oh, I have to stop the simulation, and then if I place a virtual terminal, and then you have to connect TXT of the Arduino to RxD of this virtual terminal. That means now Arduino will send the data Arduino will send the data from TXT to RxD of the serial terminal. And if you double click here, you will see the baud rate is 9600. There are many baud rates, but you have to choose 9600. That means you have to match this number which you have used here. Okay, here you have 9600 and here you have also 9600, and if you don't maintain it you will have a problem. I will show you later. Okay, so if I run the simulation, let's see what happens. Okay, our code is done. So voltage is 1.65. if I change this voltage resistor, you see the voltage is changing. That means our code is working, right? So our code is working. Okay, now let's see if I change the baud rate, then what happens. Let's say it's 5760, and now if I run the simulation, see what is this. This is not any readable data, so you have to change the baud rate and set it. You have to match this baud rate with the baud rate you have right in the Arduino code. Now run the simulation and see. Now you are seeing the visible data. Okay, so thank you, and to get more videos on these topics, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.